Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up your Google Assistant to work on lock screen on REALME C17. So you have to start with opening your Google application and now click More and go to Settings. Now click on Google Assistant and now scroll down and click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google option and click Next. Now you have to scroll down and click I agree. Now click Continue. And now click on Voice Model and click on Retrain your voice model. OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now click Finish. And now you can click back. Click back again. And now click on Lock Screen and click Yes, I'm in. And now make sure that this first option is turned on. And let's check if my assistant works on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.